Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make fresh barista style espresso coffee using coffee beans on your Cafe Corso Delonghi automatic machine. Oh yeah, that's really awesome. Let's start to have a delicious coffee. Do not use caramelized or candied coffee beans, as they could stick to the coffee mill and make it unusable. That's really important. Use standard coffee beans, but use good and nice flavored coffee beans. So, to make a really good hot coffee, before delivering the coffee, perform a rinse cycle by using the button left of the eco button, if you like. Then hot water is delivered from the spout, heating the internal circuits of the pillions and thus raising the coffee temperature. Warm the cups by rising them with hot water. That's easy, isn't it? But take care if you start your Delonghi Caffe Corso machine and the coffee machine was switched off for immediately in a half hour, it will rinse out automatically. This you can use to preheat up your cup easily. But this is not this you do not have to do each time. If the temperature is good without rinsing hot water into the cup, it's okay for you. You can go to make direct coffee using coffee beans. So first step, fill the container with the coffee beans. Job's done. Then place under the coffee spout 1 cup of your finest selection cups. Then lower the spouts as near as possible to the cup. This makes a creamier coffee. And you have to adjust the strength and the level of the quantity of coffee. The left lever is for the quantity. In this case, it's a big cup, so we go to the full maximum mode. And on the right side lever, you can use for the strength. We make medium strength. Now it's time to press the button corresponding to the numbers of coffee required. You can use 1 coffee by using the right button of on the left side. You can see the on and off switch, and the first button after that, this is the 1 cup button. If the LED is steady, then you push there and the pillions will start with delivering delicious, fresh, barista-like coffee. Yeah. It's really easy. If you like to make 2 cups of coffee, you can add 2 cups under the coffee spouts, and then you have to press the third button from the left side. This is for 2 cups and 1 time. Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it? Once the coffee has been made, the pillions is ready to use again. So you can continue producing new fresh coffee. If the coffee is delivered at drop at time too weak and not creamy enough, too cold, then you have to adjust the heating level, or you have to adjust your coffee mill a little bit. That it is how you perform on the Delonghi Caffe Corso machine fresh delivered coffee using coffee beans. Really awesome, really delicious. That it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.